Hello, it's Hannah here and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Oldham. Today I'll be talking about this approved use Volkswagen Caddy Maxi Live finished in a deep black pearl paintwork. This 2024 model comes with a 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission, perfect for a durable upgrade. This vehicle comes equipped with electric folding door mirrors for added protection when parked, followed by automatic headlights so you can always be on, sat on stunning silver alloy wheels, contrasting nicely against the black paintwork. As we make our way into the boot space, you can see this is a fantastic area with even more space when the seats are put down. However, if you need more seats, then you can put them up for the extra room. Moving into rear with a full cloth upholstery, offering a relaxing and stylish finish. With your accessible seats in the boot, you've got your charging ports also accessible from the back. Moving into the front with a multifunctioning steering wheel with central touch display, the full cloth upholstery follows through to the front, allowing a luxurious and comfortable driving experience. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connections. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving on to the central infotainment system, you've got a variety of different radio stations that you can listen to keep you entertained along your journeys. App Connect allows you to connect your phone to the car so you can access apps such as Spotify, Apple Music, or even your messages whilst on the go. For your extra safety, you've got your rear view camera and parking sensors, perfect for those awkward and tight manoeuvres, especially in busy car parks. Your climate controls will be found on screen at an easy access so you can customise the temperature to your preference. Finishing off with a central console with charging ports, cup holders and a central console armrest for any extra storage you may need. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.